Hi, I'm Steve Sample with Bama Talk. Don't miss a single episode of Bama Talk Show, available now on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app, and on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, June 10th. I'm James Spann. Hey, get set for the hottest weather so far this year, tomorrow and Wednesday. Take a look at the satellite view this afternoon. Big upper trough is swinging through here. That produced the thunderstorms we had this morning, and now drier air beginning to move in the wake of those storms. In fact, there's the visible satellite view. You can see the northern half of Alabama is basically in bright sunshine. Clouds confined to the southern counties of the state, and even down there, they will be thinning out greatly in coming days. Now, north of here, we've got a tornado watch that includes much of Middle Tennessee, including Nashville, but that batch of storms should stay north of Alabama. We've got a slight risk. That's the standard risk of severe weather over much of Middle Tennessee, and also from near Columbia, South Carolina, up to about Philadelphia for this afternoon. Many severe weather watches in effect for those areas. Now, tomorrow, we've got a risk of severe weather on top of the hot air bubble that would include places like Des Moines, Iowa, almost to Chicago. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, a slight risk of severe weather that does include Chicago, Indianapolis, Cleveland, Detroit, and Pittsburgh. Rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Saturday morning. Not much. We'll see a little bit Thursday, perhaps, with a surface boundary. But again, the weather looks pretty dry around here if you take out Thursday through the weekend. Temperatures trending up in the short term. You can see the models suggesting the hottest day will be Wednesday with mid-90s likely. And, Birmingham's failed to reach 90 so far this year, which is amazing. This is June 10th, but no doubt we'll break that big 90 mark tomorrow and Wednesday. Then temperatures trend downward for the latter half of the week, just a little bit. Obviously, you don't see big cool downs this time of the year. We'll check modeling. This is the 12Z GFS, valid at 1 o'clock local time tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. Nice trough on the East Coast. Upper high over the Red River around Lake Texoma on the Texas-Oklahoma border. And down below that, the day should be dry with low 90s likely. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 92 with a good deal of sunshine. Wednesday, the upper high stretches from Phoenix all the way to Atlanta. The higher heights are centered over the Texas Panhandle and New Mexico, but clearly with that 591 ring, it's going to be pretty hot. Mid-90s are likely. The NAM is at 95. The GFS is at 96. So that should easily be the hottest day this week. And, of course, the warm air aloft, the subsidence means no rain. Now, this is Thursday. A deep surface low is over West Virginia with a trailing front, and that could kick off a few scattered showers and storms during the day Thursday. Don't think it'll be really widespread, but some folks could get wet. And then Friday, the numbers back off a little bit. The highs go back into the upper 80s with a slightly cooler air mass. And, of course, in June, July, August, cooler is not a good word here, just not as hot. Then Saturday, as we kick off the weekend, the high should be around 90. Will be dry. Same thing on Sunday. So for your weekend plans, we don't expect any rain of significance with highs around 90. And a week from today, the big heat bubble is back in the southwest, thank goodness. They can keep it. And around here, another surface boundary trying to drop in from the north, and that might bring us an increase in the number of showers and storms. So the next 7 days, the better opportunity of seeing a shower or storm Thursday, and then again Monday of next week. We'll check the end of the forecast, June 26th. We're looking at that heat bubble, and it stays west of here, thank goodness, although we've got a flat 588 ridge. I mean, it's going to be hot. The storm track, of course, is up north. That looks like what late June should look like. And down below that, some evidence of maybe a few scattered showers, but that's pretty typical for that time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Be sure to catch the next episode of Just Talking It Up on iTunes, Stitcher, your favorite podcast app, or on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.
Hey, you forgot our names.
No.
You did. You forgot our names.
Don't be silly. I'm Janet, your Crash, see?
She's just like a goose. She wakes up in a new world every day.